How do you wash whole mud crab? Mud crab are meaty crab that are best boiled before mixing in with sauces. I bought some mud crab from my fishmonger here. They have assisted me with killing it, so I will need to cook this as soon as possible, or else the crab will lose its texture and the sweetness. The tools that we need are a small long brush. I bought this specially for washing crab. A new unused toothbrush can be used as well. A pair of kitchen shears. First, remove all the string from the crab. Hold the crab firmly with one hand. Use the kitchen shears to cut off the strings. Please be careful and not to hurt yourself, as the crab shells has tiny thorns around its shells and the legs. We should remove the string only when the crab is dead. If the crab is alive, please don't remove the string, as the crab may escape and they might pinch you with their strong pincers. Next, wash the crab under the slow running water. Use the small brush to brush along the side of the shell. Allow the slow running water to wash away dirt or algae that are stuck on the crab's shells, the side of the body, and between the legs. This mud crab is quite clean. There is not much dirt or algae. Brush in between the legs and in front of the mouth. Under the body. The shell and the claws. Brush the top of the shell, as they might have some algae stuck there. Alright, this crab is washed and it is clean now. Next, we will proceed to do the same for the other two crabs. Alright, now all of the crabs are washed. I am putting all the 3 crabs in the basin and will give them a last rinse at the same time. Here they are, all washed, clean and ready to cook. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more home cooking tips like this. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.